Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 10th January. Let's start. In the year of 1616, on this day, British ambassador Sir Thomas Roe met the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in Ajmer. In the year of 1623, on this day, the first newspaper named Gazzetta di Mantova was published in Italy. The Gazzetta di Mantova is the oldest surviving newspaper in the world with the same title. In the year of 1693, on this day, Job Charnock, the founder of Calcutta, died in Calcutta. In the year of 1824, on this day, British chemist Joseph Espadine invented cement. In the year of 1836, on this day, Professor Madhusudan Gupta did research on the internal structure of the human body. In the year of 1863, on this day, the world's first underground train service was started in London. In the year of 1886, on this day, John Mathai, an Indian educationist, economist, and jurist, was born. He served as India's first railway minister and later as India's finance minister, taking office in 1948, soon after the presentation of the India's first budget. In the year of 1920, on this day, the League of Nations was established. In the year of 1946, on this day, the first meeting of the United Nations General Assembly was attended by representatives of 51 nations. In the year of 1963, on this day, the Gold Control Scheme was started by the Government of India. In the year of 1969, on this day, Sampurnanand, a famous politician and writer, passed away. He served as the second Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1954 to 1960. In the year of 1972, on this day, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman reached independent Bangladesh as president. In the year of 1994, on this day, Girja Kumar Mathur, the famous poet and playwright, passed away. He wrote the poem Hum Honge Kamyab. His famous works are नास और निर्माण, धूप के धान, सिला पंख चमकीले, भीतरी नदी की यात्रा, etc. In the year of 2006, on this day, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh announced the celebration of World Hindi Day every year. In the year of 2008, on this day, Tata Motors, a leading automobile company in car manufacturing, introduced the Rs 1 lakh car Nano. In the year of 2018, on this day, Jeff Bezos became the second person to have a net worth of over $100 billion after Amazon's stock price surged. His net worth was $106 billion. In the year of 2020, on this day, the central government had issued a notification for the Citizenship Amendment Act. According to this law, minorities of Hinduism, Jainism, Zoroastrianism, Sikhism, Christianity, and Buddhism who came to India till December 31, 2014 will be able to acquire Indian citizenship. In the year of 2021, on this day, India's Jigmet Dolma finished fourth in the Dhaka Marathon 2021. This marathon is organized every year to commemorate the return of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman from Pakistan, present to Bangladesh in the year 1972. In the year of 2021, on this day, Jay Shah was named as the official representative of the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) for International Cricket Council (ICC) board meetings. Shah is the secretary of the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI). In 2022, on this day, World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10 January every year since 2006 to promote the language globally. The day marks the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference, which was inaugurated by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on 10 January 1975. National Hindi Day in India is celebrated on 14 September every year. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.